That's all they have done so far. That's a lot. They also got a nice big hole over here. Yeah, it's really hot out right now. I'd say it's about 90, 92 degrees, but yeah. I didn't want to slip on that.